Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. YouCopia WrapStand, adjustable kitchen wrap, foil and bag box organizer for kitchen cabinet and pantry storage, white.
About this item, 8 wire holders are fully adjustable on the stand, allowing you to store sandwich bag boxes up to 3.5 wide. By placing the box opening so it's facing out, the wrap stand can act as a wrap or baggie dispenser. Consolidate your clunky foil, wrap and bag boxes by storing them in vertical fashion. The wrap stand's unique design allows access to all your boxes while keeping them neat and tidy in one place. No tools or installation required. Simply adjust the wire holders to fit your boxes, and your rack is ready to be stored in a lower cabinet or pantry. A built-in Caddy handle lets you move the wrap stand whenever you want. Move it from the cabinet to the countertop while you're making lunches. Then tuck it back into place when you're finished for a tidy-looking kitchen. Wrap stand wrap and bag caddy measures 5.4 deep, 8.4 wide, and 11.4 tall. Made from high-quality plastic and steel.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.